In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Forms responses. When you create a form in Google Forms, whether it's for a survey, a quiz, or a registration, all of the answers people submit are stored for you automatically. The trick is simply knowing where to find them and how to view them in a clear, organized way. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the very beginning, starting from a simple web search so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Google Forms. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type "How to check Google Forms responses" and press enter. You'll see a results page with links that explain the same process we're going through now. This search phrase is helpful because it takes you to relevant support articles and guides directly from Google, in case you want extra reference later. Now, once you're on this search results page, look for the official Google Forms link, or simply open a new tab and go to Google Forms directly. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to create your form. If you're using a different account, you won't see the correct form or its responses. After you've opened Google Forms, select the form you want to check. This takes you into the form editor where you usually add questions. At the top, you'll notice different tabs such as Questions and Responses. Click the Responses tab. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the Responses tab, you'll see a summary of all the answers people have submitted. You can scroll through visual charts, counts, and lists of responses. This is great for getting a quick overview, like how many people chose a particular option, or how many total submissions you have so far. If you want to review each person's submission individually, switch to the individual view within the same tab. This lets you go response by response, which is especially useful for quizzes, applications, or any form where you need to check detailed answers. From here, you can also connect your form to a spreadsheet to see all responses in a table format. That's ideal if you plan to sort, filter, or analyze the data more deeply. And that's the core process. Starting from a simple Google search, you locate your form, open it, and use the Responses tab to review all the information people have submitted, in whatever level of detail you need.